PAS model is where you can build with it, and IAS is a model where we can move to it. So what is that? Here, all the different types of applications are available. Just like on Joho, we have seen that a lot of different applications are available. Okay, and we can use those applications for our own use, our own activities, own functions. PS is a service where it will provides you the facility for application development, and it provides you a complete dashboard on which you can develop anything. That means you can build any application. Okay, you can build commercial application, you can build any um, financial application, or any type of application you can build on PS. So here it provides you a platform. That means it provides you an operating system or a development environment where you can create and where you can develop it. IaaS is a service that provides you infrastructure. Infrastructure means it provides you virtual machine, that means hardware. You can select the hardware on your own, and then using the on that hardware you can uh, install your operating system and you can install your applications. Okay, so these are the different types of cloud computing service delivery model. So when we look at this, your SaaS will provide you complete software solution, and it allows user to connect and use the cloud-based application over the internet. Platform as a service provide different types of services like SAS is on the top. Yeah, actually, what happens here? If we look at these three types of services, there is a layer of abstraction between all these three services. That means if you are using SAS, you can only see the application. You don't know that which operating system, on which operating system this application is running. Okay, and what hardware we are using. Okay, so there is a layer of abstraction in between. In between SAS and PAS, and when we are using the PAS, okay, or platform as a service, then there is a layer of abstraction between IAS and the PS. And we know the framework. Like I want to develop a web page, okay, a website. So I can use the PHP or any other web development software. Okay, so that web development software, that PHP is visible to me, but on which hardware we are running this, okay, it's not visible to me. That what is the where it is processed, where it is stored. I am not aware about it. But in case of IS, all these things, instead of the actual physical hardware, everything is visible to you. You know that this is the my hardware configuration, this is the operating system, and these are the applications I am using. Okay, so all these things are abstractions. So there are layers of abstraction in between. Okay, so when we look at this, the platform as it provides virtual machines, operating system, application services, deployment framework, transaction, and control structures. Similarly, infrastructure it provides a computing service model by means of which we can use the computing resources. Those are provided by the cloud service provider. Okay, so okay, now come to the application of cloud computing. Let's see what are the different applications where we can use the cloud computing. We can use the cloud computing in online data storage. One of the example is Google Drive or Microsoft SkyDrive. Okay. Second, backup and recovery. Uh, all of you are using WhatsApp. Huh? There is one option of backup in it. You can back up your data. Where you back up your data? You can back up your data to the cloud or the drive where or to the email which is connected to that device. Huh? If you are using a Android device, your Google ID is used for backup. And you can also, when you switch from one mobile to another mobile, you can also recover. So there are other methods are also provided where your data can be safe and sound on these backup facilities of the cloud. Then we are using big data analysis. Big data analysis is one of the important application of the cloud computing where uh, it will by analyze the data. Any company can provide you, like Amazon, what your Amazon is doing, it just look at all your data, all your information, what you are searching, what you are purchasing. Okay, and then according to that it will provide you, after analyze all these things, it will provide you the recommendation about a particular product. So when you are purchasing mobile, then you can see that next from the next day you will get a get a list of mobile phones. If you are purchasing a bag, a purse, then you will get a list of all the recommended purse or bags. So this is called big data analysis. Then again, it is also providing you facility for testing and development. So using PaaS, we can develop different applications. We can develop different types of softwares on or different resources directly on the cloud. Next application is antivirus. How many of you are using Defender on that on Windows? I think most of you are using Defender. Defender is antivirus application which is provided by the Microsoft, and it stores all your data on the cloud. Okay, so it provides you different types of antivirus applications from where um, you can scan your system and provide perform keep clean your system. Next is the e-commerce applications. E-commerce, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, all these are the different e-commerce applications. And again, I just take one example of that it will use your e-commerce application, use your data to analyze and then provide you the suggestions. We can use the cloud computing in education. The software which we are using, the Zoom, okay, it is we are using this, okay, and there are a lot of data is available on the cloud. We can download it and then we can use it in the application. There are a lot of applications are also available on the cloud, like on Zoho there is a one software like a meeting, just like Zoom, and you can use it for education. Then e-governance application. I think all of you heard about digital locker, DigiLocker. So that DigiLocker is one of the type of uh, cloud where you can upload. You can create the account and you can upload your own all the documents on that, and you can also download the documents from different government sites. You can download your license, you can download your Aadhaar card, you can download your uh, passport. Okay, everything you can store in that particular DigiLocker. So this is one of the easiest way of, and these documents are also we can say authentic. If we show these documents to anyone, these documents are authentic. Okay, so nobody asks you for a hard copy of those documents. Now next is the cloud computing. We can use it in medical field, like we can use uh, the all the medical data on the cloud. You can use the cloud computing in entertainment applications where a lot of different data are available for storing the. So entertainment application, how many of you uh, use Netflix or Prime Video or Zoom or Woot or Disney or Hotstar? I think most of you are connected to that. So these are the different OTT platforms which are available on the cloud, and it will provide you entertainment. Okay. So I think time is not permitting, but we can go through this. You can create a copy on the of the VMware hands-on lab. Okay, and go through this VMware hands-on lab. This lab is actually contains. I just show you this. So visible. So this will show you that different labs where you can select a particular lab like U210. So this is the one of the lab which is available for the virtualization. You can enroll on it, and you can get a feel of the cloud. That how actually this environment just tells you, show you the working of your VMware vSphere, the management software that will be used for providing the load balancing and all that. Okay. So see this is the visible now. This lab is visible. So now, so there is VMware hands-on lab, and now uh, when we click on that, uh, open the Google Chrome, and now we are entering into the login, and this is your VMware vSphere. We talked about the hypervisor when we are installing the ESXi or what bare metal hypervisor in any machine, then we can control it using this. So it will provide you an environment, show you an environment that where you can how you can control the virtual machines stored in the data center. Okay, clear? So this is one environment VMware actually, and you can see these are the this is your virtual server virtual server control center. This is your cluster. This is your uh, inside that cluster there is another machine, and then inside that machine we have these two machines are available, and inside these machines we have these virtual machines are available. Okay, so if you want to create the link, if you want to uh, join this or you want to use this, you can create your login, sign up on this VMware vSphere HOL hands-on lab, and you can use it. Okay. Okay, then that's all for today.
Okay, thank you. Done, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Should I stop sharing?
Uh, Okay, thank you, Manmohan sir, for giving the valuable time and sharing important knowledge on what cloud computing is and its importance in today's technology landscape. I hope that the information shared by sir has been valuable to students. So I would like to thank Gini ma'am, Senior Director, Center for Distance and Online Education, Manish sir, Additional Director, Center for Distance and Online Education, and Dr. Ajay Bamba sir, my seniors and colleagues for